Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Riyash Tangri. So, I'm announcing that I've got selected for BBA honors at Christ University Delhi NCR campus as well as BBA honors at Christ University Kinjri campus, the Bangalore one. So most of you would question, would question that how to get selected or how did you get selected. So in this video, I'm going to answer this question. So let's get started. There is a process to get selected. So let's understand this process. So this process is divided into two parts. Part A, the test one, and Part B, the verification of documents. So let's talk about Part A. It consists. It is a test. There are two tests for getting admission. First is the entrance test, and other is the micro presentation and personal interview. Okay, for the entrance test, the there are 120 questions, and the test is of 2 hours. Okay, and the topics for BBA. Okay, BBA are quantitative aptitude, general knowledge, English, and logical reasoning. Okay, and if you want a video on revision question for this, let me know in the comment section. Okay, and then on the next day, on the day which was allotted to me for the personal interview and micro presentation, then there was personal interview and micro presentation. For the personal interview, the first and the most important question which is asked to every student is introduce yourself. You have to give an introduction of yourself. Okay, so if you want a video on this, okay, so comment down. I will definitely make a video for it also. Then sometime they may ask about your personal life, your family background. Okay, they may ask. In my case, they are for the Delhi when they ask for the Delhi NCR when they ask for the personal life family background. ठीक है? Okay. So first they told me to introduce myself, and then they asked about personal life. Then sometime they asked about your favorite subject in class 12. Okay, they will definitely ask about it. They will definitely ask that which is your favorite subject. First they will ask what was your percentage in class 12. Then they would ask what was your favorite subject in class 12. Then they will ask a theory from those subjects. Okay, in my case they asked the theory from those, like mine was BST and eco, so they asked questions from BST and eco in both for the both campuses. Okay, for all the campuses you have to make a note. Okay, that they may ask. Then for the micro presentation, the most important is the most important one. They would tell you to talk on a topic. Okay, they will give you a topic and you have to talk on it. Okay, for example, is internet a bane or a boon, or impact of social media on our lives, or the most important one, the artificial intelligence. In the Kinjari one, they asked about artificial intelligence, that will artificial intelligence replace human beings? And for the Delhi NCR, they asked for the diversity, okay, diversity of India. So if you want the list of topics, here is the list. Here is the list 1, here is the list 2, and here is the list 3. So here you may see the topics. They may ask or they may not ask from these topics. Okay, so you have to read on these topics. If you would read it, it would help you only. Okay, so definitely read from these topics. Okay, then after this, on the next day or within the 48 hours of the interview, you will get a message, and that you have to check on the application status. There you would see written you are selected or you are not selected. If you are selected, then there would be then you have to go for part B. Part B is the verification of document in campus which you have selected, in which you have got selected. Okay, like in my one, I have got selected for Delhi NCR campus and the Kenjri one also. So you will get a vlog on my vlog channel for which campus did I get selected. Okay, So it will come in very soon. You may subscribe my vlog channel also, named as Riyansh Tangri Vlogs. Okay, so in the verification of documents, there is class 10th mark sheet, class 12th mark sheet, the photocopy of class 10th and class 12th mark sheet they will ask. Then you have to give them the migration certificate and the transfer certificate. Migration certificate and transfer certificate, the original one, and two photocopy of Aadhaar card, two photocopy of the PAN card, one for the registration process, admission process, and the other is for the bank process. They will open a bank account in South Indian Bank. Okay, it is their process. So you have to submit these documents and two photos also, and you have to submit a fees of 2,10,000, which is divided into two parts: 2,05,000 and 5,000. 2,05,000 is a refundable, and the other 5,000 is a non-refundable registration fees. Okay, then this process will happen, and after the paying of after verification of these documents and after paying the fees, you will get a message that you have submitted these documents, and you will get a receipt of the payment of fees. And then you will start getting the mails of the inauguration then schedule also. Okay, and you will get the mail of inauguration. Okay, on this date it will happen. First you will receive a mail of welcome, then they will send a mail of the schedule. Okay, so after this you will get the admission in the campus which you have selected. Okay, and if you want a video on the mock interviews for your selection, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely provide for it also. Okay, and if you want a video on any topics related to this, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make a video on that topic. I hope you like this video. If you like it, so please like, share, comment and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, thanks a lot. Keep watching, keep learning.